Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
Hey folks, how you doing today? So recently, I got a call from some people out in the San Fernando Valley, and this fella had a huge car collection and had procured some really nice gas pumps. He was downsizing, so I was able to purchase 3 pumps from him. These 2 visibles and another one was real nice, but that's already hasta luego, it's gone. So what we have here is a 1920s Fry visible gas pump. And this is a really cool one because it's an octagon. As that one's round, this one here has the 8-sided octagon. Somebody had done a really nice job restoring it. So as you can see, this is kind of a, not candy apple, it's a metallic blue. And then they faded in the yellow, which was really pretty nice, as well as this is a decal. And the whole thing has been clear coated and over the decal as well. When I went out to pick it up, naturally you have to knock the top off of them. You cannot move these with the top on them because you'll break the glass. So we took the top off, and the last restorer did a really nice job on them, but he didn't do any bright work, no chrome. So while the pump was knocked down, I sent all the chrome out, and let's take it up to the way we like it. So we chromed all of the electrical conduit here, up on the top, all of the strut bars here for the glass. We chromed this, we chromed this, we chromed the handle, we repolished all the brass. So it really came out super nice, super bright. Now one of the things about this is we never restore a visible gas pump unless we put a glass cylinder in it. These came with glass cylinders, so I did not have to deal with that. But listen, that's glass, right? Beautiful, beautiful, clear. The other nice thing about this pump is that it has, I'm thinking that's a 12-inch globe, so it's a reverse glass Richfield sign in there, but that's a milk glass housing. So that housing up there is milk glass. Traditionally like this, you would use a tin one, but these builders chose to do reverse glass with a milk glass housing, which actually looks really super good. One of the other things is that in these old visibles, you got to leave the actual pump inside of them. So it still has the pump inside of it because you got to hook the handle to something, and it hooks directly to the pump. So it's in there, but all the other stuff we get rid of, take the weight out. Very, very unnecessary. The other nice thing is that there's 2 size hoses for these pumps. There's this, which is like, I don't know, 1.5 inches, and then there's one that's maybe 1.25 inches. But this is the large size hose, so it's the more expensive, larger size hose. As well as, the guy was pretty smart. He left the original shipping packing materials around the hose. So the hose is still bright and white and shiny. If it was me when I got it, I'd take it off because I think it's a bit cheesy, but I'm glad he did it because it protected the hose. Super nice pump, weighs quite a bit. Obviously, when you buy this, we're going to send it next door, and this will be professionally created. That's the only way we would do this. The whole top is going to come off, and we will mark all of the wiring and everything for easy assembly. You know, it's got the correct gaskets up here. This stuff really just needs to get pretty much finger tight up here when you put it back together. But it will all be knocked down, very professionally created, brought to your place of choice, put in your garage, and then you, or your place of business, and then you will be putting it back together. It's not a big deal. Anyway, super nice Fry pump. Do too many of these, yeah. 1920s Fry gas pump, octagon, beautiful hose, glass cylinder, all new plating, great piece. And when you buy it, we'll get it next door. We'll treat you right on shipping. We don't try to make no money on shipping, and these guys treat us right, which we treat you right on the shipping. And we'll get it boxed up and get it out to you. And as always, thanks for watching our videos. You guys chime in. We really appreciate your comments. It's a wonderful thing we've created here, and you people are making us feel real good about it. So if you keep watching them, we'll keep doing them. Thanks a lot for your time.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.